Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. Alright, today we're dealing with a fall winter squash. It's called Delicata, and I've got one split in half here. Now this has a flavor of kind of like a sweet potato. It's nice and sweet, so you're gonna really love this. The skin is also soft, so you can eat the skin, so you don't have to remove that or anything. Now it feels like a hard gourd and such, but actually once you get it all prepared and cooked, it is a fantastic delight. So first, like I said, I cut the ends off. You can't eat that hard exterior there on each end, so I sliced that off, as you can see there, on either end, and then I split it in half, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hollow out the inside. And I'm just gonna, like I said, just take a spoon and scrape it out like so into a bowl. But you get the idea. You want to get all of the seeds and then this stringy like substance on the inside, this stringy like fibrous stuff. Alright, once you get it hollowed out, that's what it looks like. So, like I said, I'm going to do these other halves here and this other one here. And we'll get these prepared here. Okay, after hollowing out our squash, I cut it into widthwise strips. And I do about 3/4 of an inch in size there. Now we can go ahead and finish prepping here. I've got some extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to put some on my sheet like that. And then we're going to take our pieces and get them coated on both sides like so. And like I said, I just go ahead and get your hands in there. It's okay. Like I said, get them coated on each side. And a nice space in between each one. Okay, after coating each piece with extra virgin olive oil, we'll go in with some kosher salt. And we're going to do both sides like so, kosher salt. And then we got some cracked black pepper. And I'll flip each piece and we'll do each piece on the other side as well. Alright, after seasoning both sides, I'm going to go ahead and put this into my oven, which has been preheated at 375 Fahrenheit. And we're going to let it go for about 10 to 12 minutes. On one side, we'll flip them over and we'll do the other side another 10 to 12 minutes and we'll be done. Alright, it's been about 12 minutes and I've taken it out of my oven. I'm going to flip these over. And we're going to get the other side. But you're just going to flip them over like this. Get them all. And then we'll put it back in the oven there and let it finish off for another 12 minutes or so. Okay, our squash is finished. And I'm going to show you how gorgeous this is. You just take a spoon, you can cut through the skin just like that. That's how soft that is. And this is so sweet and tasty. You can eat it just like this, plain and simple. So good. But I'm going to show you what I do. So stick around and I'll show you how I like to prepare this. Okay, we start with a plate there and then just take pieces of our squash there and just put them on a nice plate like so. Alright, once you have your squash on there, then I have some of my homemade pasta sauce, and I'll have a link in the drop down or description box so you can see how I make my simple spicy tomato sauce. But I'm going to put some of that over there over our squash like so. Clean my plate. Always gotta make it look nice. And last but not least, some Parmigiano Reggiano, or just your whatever Parmesan you like, or cheese. But there you go. That is a simple fall winter squash dish that I like to make. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching Paulie's Food Channel, and we'll see you next time.